Hi, I'm Toby Cisneros, and welcome to IP Go, the show where we take a look at the IPO world, past, present, and future. Now, with the presidential election just around the corner, the IPO schedule is light this week as nobody wants to risk that level of uncertainty. But it does give us the opportunity to reflect on the best IPOs of recent weeks. October ended with a bang, with 12 IPOs and 2 SPACs on the roster and bankers looking to raise close to $6 billion. It was quite a broad mix of companies coming to market, ranging from finance, healthcare, and mining stocks. Let's take a look at some of those highlights. Root is an Ohio-based technology firm looking to disrupt the U.S. auto industry with its smartphone app. It monitors a driver's habits and, as a result, prices a driver's auto insurance policy more fairly than a traditional risk-based model of pricing premiums. The company sold 22 million shares last week for $27 each, exceeding the $22 to $25 range it was aiming for, giving the company a market cap of $6.7 billion. An additional 2.6 million shares were sold by existing shareholders as part of the offering. The business launched in 2015 and is betting on a shift to underwriting plans using the data cars collect about their owners' driving, known as telematics rather than demographics. The valuation is an increase from the $3.65 billion implied in the firm's most recent equity fundraising round in August last year, when Root attracted $350 million in capital. The company will raise an additional $500 million in private placements from Dragoneer Investment Group and Silver Lake at the IPO price alongside the listing. The stock surged on issue date, but was pulled lower with the rest of the market into the week close. Next up, we have Atlas Crest Investment Corp., a blank check company sponsored by an affiliate of Moelis & Co., one of the world's leading financial advisors. On Tuesday the 27th, Atlas announced that it had priced its initial public offering of 50 million units at a price of $10 per unit. Each unit consists of 1 share of a Class A common stock and 1/3 of a warrant that, when whole, entitles the holder to purchase 1 Class A common share for $11.50. The Atlas management team is led by Ken Moelis as chairman and Michael Spalacy as chief executive officer, who have both had careers centered around delivering transformational growth and value creation across a broad range of industries. While Atlas is open-minded to all types of investment, it will specifically target high-growth sectors including media, online gaming, sports betting, fintech and payments, healthcare, business services, and disruptive consumer. To finish up, let's take a look at an ETF that operates as a nice medium for the health of the IPO market. Renaissance Capital's IPO ETF is designed to give exposure to the most significant newly public U.S.-listed companies. It adds sizable new companies on a fast entry basis and the rest upon scheduled quarterly reviews. Companies that have been public for 2 years are removed at the next quarterly review. Some of its current constituents include the likes of Zoom, Uber, Peloton, Slack, Beyond Meat, Snowflake, Lyft, and Levi Strauss. This fund has had a fantastic 2020, trading up 80% at one point before its recent sell-off. Currently, it's trading up 60% year-to-date, having broken below its 50-day moving average, but remains up 140% since the March lows. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. Stay safe and see you next week.